Okay, tell me if this sounds familiar. You open your wardrobe every morning, you look at everything inside, and you still ended up picking your jeans. Because jeans are easy, jeans are comfortable, jeans just works perfectly without any second thought. But imagine this year you decide something wanted to change in our day-to-day office bottom wear. Choosing pieces that looks just as elegant as your favorite jeans. You want a bottom wear that feels elegant and confident from the moment you step out from your home. And we will discuss that solution, how to achieve that without changing your whole wardrobe. After watching this video, we are able to know exactly where we need to spend our money if we plan to shop for office pants. All you need is just a simple switch. Add additional office pants as pair of good trousers. And today I am going to show you exactly how to do that in 5 easy ways. So stay with me till the end because each way we will find a new styles. So let's get into it quickly. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel The Style Equation. If you are new to my channel, just a short intro here. In this channel, we simplify fashion using logic, balance and real life practicality. Our focus is to create well-balanced look through thoughtful styling instead of blindly following trends. So, today's topic is about how to style work trousers for the office which looks elegant, balanced and confident. I have broken the entire video into 5 simple easy ways so that by the end of this video you have a clear and easy styling way to follow. So, the 5 parts are: how to pick the right trousers which looks balanced, how to style your top with it, which accessories to add, how just one element can completely change your whole look in 2026, and what color combination actually works for office wear. So stay tuned till the end and trust me, this will be your complete guide. Let's get into one by one and learn the new styles for the office trousers. The very first step we started with is choosing the right trouser fittings. And most people skip this step and just buy whatever looks good on hanger or shop. That is the biggest mistake which I have also done many times during my initial days. Because a trouser that doesn't fit you correctly will never look elegant no matter how you're trying to style it with branded or perfectly fit top wear. When we choose any trouser, we used to skip the fit part very often. While this is the most important things to check the fit starting from your waist to thighs area. Remember, your trouser should sit comfortably at your waist area without pulling or gapping. If it is too tight and uncomfortable, it will look strained. If it is too loose, it will look slopey without creating any balanced look. So, the easiest fit is to start with our simple straight leg or wide leg designs trouser. Both looks very stylish and it mostly works with every body type if we choose the right fit and designs. Now the next one is fabric. This is where most people lose money. Just remember, the fabric is the key to fit on your body perfectly. If you're just buying random trousers without knowing the fabric quality, you are just wasting your hard-earned money. A good fabric holds its shape all the day and doesn't create unnecessary crinkle if you are sitting or standing in the office, and it looks clean even after 8 hours of sitting at desk. The best fabric for office trousers are wool blends, polyester viscose, cotton twill, and sometimes my favorite one, linen pants. This fabric wrap well, look polished and are easy to maintain. I would suggest avoid pure cotton trousers for office wear as it crinkles within an hour, I can say, and you will spend the whole day looking like you just slept in your clothes. And finally, color. I always tell people start with neutrals like black, navy, charcoal grey and camel are my 4 foundation colors. Every single one of these will work with almost everything in your wardrobe. If you're really interested about to know the color of the office pens, I have created a detailed video on how to style light color office pens to create a perfect balanced look. You can check out this after watching this video. Link is in the description. So these light shades are very on trend right now and they look absolutely beautiful in office settings. Just go for it without any second thought. Now that you have the right trouser designs, let's talk about how to style it with a perfect top wear. Just remember the golden rule. The fitting of your top should always balance the fit of your trousers. That means if your trouser is a wide leg and relaxed, your top should always be fitted and tucked it inside. And if your trouser is a slim and straight, you have more freedom on the top and you can just go with slightly relaxed one. For example, for wide leg trousers with a high waist designs, the best tops are slightly fitted shirts, slightly fitted neat tops with structured blazer. Always tuck your top inside, either fully or do it half tucked, that's fine at the front. This creates a clear waistline and the overall look becomes very balanced and elegant. Do not wear an oversized or flowy top with a wide leg trousers because both pieces will have a lot of volume and the look will feel very heavy and unstructured. Next is for a straight leg trousers, you can wear a slightly relaxed shirts. For example, if you are choosing a grey or beige color pants, just go with clean white shirts, or in a cold weather, just go with slightly fitted sweaters and tucked it inside. A classic white shirt tucked into a straight leg trousers is one of the most effortless and polished office look which we can put together. And believe me, it works every single time. For slim or tapered fit trousers, add a slightly oversized blazer as a layer, I can say, or a flowy design formal look top like this. It works beautifully because the slim trousers already create a nice balance where we are adding a little extra volume on the top. Just pay attention to the fit of the trousers as mentioned above. The main thing here is to remember, always try to tuck your top inside your bottom wear, which immediately makes an outfit look more intentional and put together. And here the good part is, it just takes 5 seconds and makes a huge difference, I can say. So until now, if the info gives you some values and you are learning something new today, please hit the like button right now. It really helps more women to find this video. Now accessories are the finishing touch and always one of my favorite category when it comes to styling my outfit. It basically completes your entire look and put the confidence level high when we are speaking or presenting to someone in the office. But here is a thing to remember, you don't need a lot of accessories, you just need the right ones. Let's start with jewelry. For office wear, always choose minimal jewelry which we can just highlight your whole outfit instead of overlooking it. The goal is to look polished, not overdressed. For example, a simple gold or silver chain necklace, small hoop earrings or a thin bracelets are all you need nowadays, as it is a current trend from last 4-5 years now and continue to stay in 2026 as well. If you are wearing a high neck or collared shirt, skip the necklace and go for a earring and pair it with thin bracelets if you want. If your top has an open neckline like a V-neck or a scoop neck, a dedicated pendant necklace looks beautiful there. Do not pile on too many pieces at once like this. Pick either earrings or necklace and skip the bracelets, or maybe earring or bracelet and skip the necklace. So, if you want to know about how to styling jewelry to an office outfit in details, I have made a detailed video on this. Please check this out after watching this video. Link is in the description. Now the next section is footwear, and this is important because the design of your trouser decides which shoes works perfectly here. For example, for full-length wide leg or straight leg trousers, always choose a heel. Even a small block heel or a knitted heel is enough. The heel lifts you slightly up and allows the trouser to fall in a clean way. A flat shoes with a full-length trouser often makes the fabric bunch at the ankle, which breaks the whole look of the outfit. So here the simple hack is, go for a slightly heel waist footwear. For cropped or ankle length trousers, loafers and ankle boots look stunning. The cropped length already shows your ankle, so any of these shoes create a very clean and modern look. For slim and tapered fit trousers, a little heel or little edge heel or pointed heel works beautifully. The pointed heels create length and makes your leg look longer in case of short height women. You know, the next one accessory is one of the most underrated styling tricks, and I want you to start it using right away, which is nothing but women belt. A belt is nothing but a foundational piece. It is a quick and easy styling tool, which I can say. And when it used it correctly, it can transform a basic outfit into something that looks very well put together. Here is the simplest way to think about it. A belt creates a waistline. When you define your waist, especially in case of high waist trousers, your whole silhouette becomes more balanced and proportionate. Even if you are wearing a very simple top and trouser combination, adding a belt suddenly makes it look more balanced and elegant. It breaks the bottom wear in such a way that elongates your leg to create a height to your whole look in a very balanced way. For example, for a wide leg trousers, try a medium or wide belt, tuck your top inside your trousers and layered it with a blazer. This creates a beautiful shape and adds a strong focal point to the outfit. For straight leg and tapered trousers, add a thin belt through the waistline, looks beautiful and works perfectly to create an elegant look. It suddenly adds details without being too heavy to the outfit. My personal favorites are leather belts. You can go with any clean designs, mostly in black and brown colors. Try these elements in your next office outfit and share your experience in the comment section. If you have stayed with me until now, one more time I'm just reminding you to hit the like button if you learned something new today and thinking about to apply it in your next office look. Also, please subscribe to this channel where I share a simple practical styling tips to help you dress better without much thinking and overcomplicating it, which can also save your time, money and energy. Choosing color combination is the way that most people overlook, and it is one of the most powerful one. The colors you choose together can completely change how your outfit feels basically. And here is the tip I want you to remember. For office wear, choose always lighter shade, especially trousers, not the darker one, especially in summer days. Most women default to dark color because they feel it is safe. For example, black trouser, dark navy top, dark blazer, etc. Instead, try this light shade this time. Pair a neutral trouser with a light or softer tone top. For example, navy trouser with a soft white or cream shirt looks clean, fresh and very professional. Charcoal grey trouser with a light blush pink or a soft sky blue top create a very modern and put together look. Beige color trouser with an ivory or white top is one of the most stylish combination for office wear right now. Also, we can go with some monochrome designs like top and trouser in the same color family. Do it in a lighter tone always. Avoid very bright or bold colors for everyday office wear. Instead, try adding those colors as a small accent through accessories, I can say. The key principle is keep contrast through lighter tones only. Light on light still creates contrast when the shades are slightly different, but should be in a balanced proportion. And it always looks elegant, approachable and confident. Okay, let's bring everything together now. Way 1. Choose the right trousers in the right fit, right fabric and a neutral color to start. Way 2. Balance your top with your trousers. Fitted top with a white trousers. Slightly relaxed top with a slim trousers. Always tucked it inside. Way 3. Keep accessories minimal and match your footwear to your trouser length. For example, a heel for full length trousers, loafers or flat for crop and ankle length styles. Way 4. Use a belt to create waistline which instantly elevate a basic outfit. And way 5. Choose lighter color combination. Let your office look feel fresh, soft and modern instead of heavy and dark. Here is what I wanted to take away from today's video. Trousers are not complicated. They are actually easier to style same way as we are doing for jeans. Once you know the styling rule here. And the 5 ways that I have shared with you today are the base if you are building your capsule wardrobe. So that's it for today. If you got values from today's video, please give it a like, and if you are new here, subscribe to it. So you do not miss the next week's video where we are going to discuss about complete 5 days work outfit rotation using just 8 wardrobe pieces. Yes, just 8, and it is easier than you think. Thank you so much for watching. Stay stylish, stay confident, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, bye-bye.